Hey guys, with all the rain here today, and it is absolutely pouring, I thought I'd do a quick review on something that we bought not too long ago. So it's the Ryobi Easy Start. So just stepping over our whippersnipper there, this little thing makes it so easy to start a whippersnipper. You don't need to worry about pulling on the cord anymore. So if you don't have a lot of upper body strength, if you've got a bit of bad back, or especially, so for my wife, she loves to use this because it's nice and easy to start it up. I'll show you how it works. So what it is, get the box up, Ryobi Easy Start. So it works with a lot of the different bits of equipment. So it's the 1+ range. So you can use it for whippersnippers, you can use it for hedges, you can use it for blowers, anything that requires a pull start, you can swap it out for one of these, as long as you have the right attachment. So how the attachments work, you've either got a hexagon there or a triangle, and depending on your piece of equipment that you're using, you just switch it around. You also just got to make sure that if you're using the triangle, flick it up there, the triangle. If you're using the hexagon, flick it down there. Not too sure what that does, but it makes sense, I guess. So all you do to use it, you put it into the back of the equipment. It's got a spot set up right for it. I'll show you on our whippersnipper how it fits in, and you just push the power button on there. Nice and easy. So what that goes with, it can either go with one of the bigger batteries or a little 1.3. So either way, they work the exact same. I only use the little one because it's lighter, because you don't need a lot of power to start this up. So that's it. The battery and the equipment. We'll show you how it works. Alright guys, so for a whippersnipper, this is just a light whippersnipper, home use, don't need for any more than around the house. You could do a little bit of the back area here that doesn't have a huge amount of power. Perfect for around the house though. So you can see on the back here, if I get in nice and close, it's got a spot there, and you can see the hexagon shape right in the center. So that's where our battery pack goes to power it up. Now, when you start it, you got to still be worried about the usual things when you start a piece of equipment. So the main one is making sure that there's fuel going into the engine. So do that with your primer. So move that out of the way there. You can see that primer there. You've got to make sure that's solid. So you feel, first time you do it, it'll feel pretty soft, and you push it a few times. Once you get to about 3 or 4, you should start to feel it firm up. Then you know you've done enough. Still got to make sure that your choke's set up right. So cold start, right down to the bottom, half choke, and then run. So when we do it, we'll start it on full choke if it's nice and cold in the morning, hasn't been used. If you get into it after you've had a bit of a lunch break, move it to the middle, and then when you accelerate, it'll then flick up to run. Make sure that your power's not on. So just the usual things when you're starting it. No different, other than we're no longer worrying about this thing, we're just sticking it in the back. So we get this, we've got it on the hexagon, we've got the hexagon picture, and we just pop it in, and it fits nice and easy. So I'm now going to press on that, and it's going to start our engine. Let's see if this works. Done! How good is that? So that's it. That's all I had to do to start it. No worrying about pulling the cord. No worry about flooding it from pulling on it too much and you have it on the wrong setting. It was just press that button and it goes. Now, I'm not going to accelerate it just yet because it's still a bit cold. You need to let it run. So whenever you start a piece of equipment, you put it on the ground, let it idle there for about a minute or two. Get yourself your safety, your gloves, your goggles, your earmuffs, anything else that you need. Get yourself all set up once you've got it started. You know that by the time you've done all that, it's going to be ready to roll. Okay, waited a little bit of time. I haven't bothered with any of my goggles or anything because I'm not going to be actually using it. But just to prove that it works, that's it. Nice and easy. Now, I know I went to town on the previous Ryobi whippersnipper that I had, which had a huge amount of power, but just terrible quality. So bits were breaking on it, couldn't handle the power that was coming out of the engine. Now, for this thing here, for the size it is, for the power of the engine going through, it's not breaking anything. So this is perfect for around the house. And coupled with that, what do we call it? Let's get the exact name. 18 volt easy start. Couple it with the 18 volt easy start. Absolute breeze. Easy to turn on, easy to start, easy to use. Couldn't recommend it anymore. So hope you guys have enjoyed that. Bye.